dosa. Yeah, you heard that right. And we are going to use this oats, whole oats, and we have taken the 2 cups of oats and we have soaked it into the water only for the 5 minutes. And then we are using 1 onion, 1 curry leaf, and 2 chilies as per your requirement of means the chili mix. And also we have used some wooden dal and it is roasted very quietly. And also we are using two from this. We are using in Hindi it is called as methi seeds that we are going to soak it into water for some time. And now let's start our recipe. Here we go friends. So now we have prepared this the chili. We have cut fine tuned cut the curry leaves and we have chopped the chili as well as a fine depending on the spiciness you want. And then we have chopped out the 1 onion and I have kept some onion for the side for the purpose. And this is the uh, white dal we used to call in Hindi. In Marathi it's called udad dal. Okay, and now we are going to first of all make the powder of this udad dal and then we are going with the oats. Guys, now we are going to prepare the batter for the oats dosa. Now let's add this the soaked oats into the grinding, and we have to first of all add this some of the ingredients. Before that, first of all we are going to add curry leaves in this, and then we are going to add the onion here, and then we are going to add some chilies in this and the methi seeds inside the batter, and add this soaked oats into this grinder to make it as some batter for the oat dosa. Now let's start to add the white seeds powder inside this also. First of all we will add some gradually some of the powder in this. I'm going to add some 1 glass of water, half glass of water I'm going to add to make it as a batter. Now let's grind it. First of all we will see how the thickness it will. The batter is prepared and I have added some a little bit water also, make it as a proper thick. So you can see this is a properly thick for the dosa, and this is going to be a different dosa I believe. Now let's add some salt also. It's based on depend on your taste, depend on your need. Okay, now we have added some salt here, and now let's mix this very well. So this is very instant and very fastest way to make a dosa, oats dosa. And for to maintain the temperature, you have to sprinkle some water on the pan because the oats is already has a sticky property, and to avoid it to be stick on the pan, we'll add some oil, and to make it the pan is ready to add some dosa batter. So we'll spread oil like this on all over the pan, and then we're going to add the dosa batter to prepare. Now here you can add 1 or 2 depending the size you want for the dosa, and see it is very nicely arranged here. So we have to wait for a while, and we have to add some 2-3 drops on the side of oil of the dosa, and then we are going to cover this pan, and we have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, and then we have to remove the cover of the dosa from the pan, and now you can see the dosa is leaving the pan and giving some smell of the food to us. And now we have to flip it. Again we have to wait for a while to get it cooked properly, and then it's ready to serve and have a dosa. Keep it aside for a minute. And the dosa with the without the coconut chutney, it is always be a incomplete recipe. So let's prepare the chutney as well for this. And for the ingredients required only the coconut, and we are going to use some chili as per your requirement, and also we are going to grind it the coconut very thick, and also we have included the ginger garlic paste inside this, so it will be taste very little bit. Hey guys, so we have now prepared with the coconut chutney, and you can see this texture. I have included in this, I have added here some coconut and some coriander leaves and some curry leaves and some little bit onion, chopped onion, and also I included the ginger garlic paste also. It's a half teaspoon, and I added the salt as well. So you can see this is a perfectly grind coconut chutney. So now friends, we have already prepared our dosa, and then now we are going to prepare the chutney for it. The chutney without dosa is incomplete recipe always. So it depends on your choice. So now we are going to prepare the chutney, and as you saw, we previously have grinded the coconut and the curry leaves, and we have included some coriander leaves, and we also have included ginger garlic paste in this, and little bit pinch of salt. And after that we are going to use this hing for our chutney, and here also we are going to use the jeera and mustard oil, mustard also. So, and also we are going to use some curry leaves that we already plucked from our tree. So we have put some we have to add some oil into the pan. Now let it become very hot. And to prepare the chutney for the dosa, you always have to act very fastly. So we have to now going to add the jeera in this. Let the oil will get some pop-up noise from it. So you can see there are some sort of bubbles coming from this. So now we are going to add the mustard seed, and let the mustard seed will get some cooked properly, and then we have added the jeera, then we have added the coriander leaf, and we have added some pinch of hing here, and let's add the chutney. And you can see we used to call it as tadka in Hindi, or mostly in Marathi, to whenever preparing the chutney here. So so with this we have to add some water in there. So friends, we are very ready with the dosa right now, and you can see the dosa is nicely prepared and nicely cooked in some time. And this is very instant dish you can have whenever you are doing some having a lunch or breakfast. But we used to have it into our breakfast, and with tea. Now I'm doing breakfast, so it would be very yummy to have it in the breakfast. And this is the same chutney we have just prepared into the pan and the dosa. So let's enjoy the dosa. Thank you.